Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I've been trying to figure this out for the longest, how to download my personal YouTube videos onto my device, onto my iPhone, or maybe it's an Android or Samsung. It's simple to do. This may be something new on YouTube, or it may have been there a while. I just didn't notice it. But the only thing you have to do is go to your YouTube app. You can either go to YouTube app or YT Studio, the studio part. So we're going to go to the YouTube. I'm going to click on it. And once I click on it, make sure you go to your contents. You see your videos. You could go to your shorts, or you can go to your videos. And you can download any of these videos into your gallery on your iPhone or on your Android or whatever. So only thing you have to do, let's do this one, how to check the oil level on the Polaris General. Go to the right to where you see those three dots, click on it, and down there where you see save to device, click on that. Once you hit save to device, it's going to run the process of saving it. And then when you go to your videos, and since I'm doing a mirroring on my screen, it's going to look funny, but when I go to photos and I go to album, as you can see right there, it has my video of my Polaris. So if I scroll across, you can see all my videos. And if I go back, that video that I downloaded from YouTube is on my phone. So it looks like that here on the screen because I'm doing mirroring my phone to my computer. So it looks kind of funny, but it doesn't look like that. It downloads it like it looks on YouTube. So that's the way you can save it from your YouTube down to your device. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.